Welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Have you ever heard of a potato peel pie? I sure haven't, but I guess it's a special pie that started in the World War II era in Guernsey, which is an island. It's part of the UK, and it's one of the Channel Islands. And I guess that there's a movie and a book all about the Guernsey Potato Peel Pie Society. And I'm gonna try out this potato peel pie. This is a savory pie, and you start by peeling 4 potatoes. This is gonna become the crust of the pie, because during that time period, they were rationing things. So that's why we're gonna use this. I have to boil those peels for about 3 to 4 minutes in some salty water. While that's boiling, I'm gonna chop those 4 potatoes. Look at those peels. And then you're gonna layer the bottom and the sides with those potato peels in a greased pie pan. And then you layer the bottom with canned sliced beets. I'm gonna be dotting a couple tablespoons of butter onto those beets. Let's add a little salt. And we're gonna be baking this part at 400 for about 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna boil these chopped potatoes. I've drained the potatoes, and now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of garlic, some chopped green onions. I'm gonna add some black pepper, and I'll flavor with some dill. I'm gonna add about a 1/2 cup of milk and mash that together. All right, that's cooked. Now let's fill it with that mashed potato. And now I'm gonna bake it, continuing at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. While not a part of the original recipe, I'm gonna sprinkle on some bacon and cheese and bake an additional 5 minutes. All righty. Potato peel pie. It's historical. Let's try it. The filling has a plain taste. It's very potatoey. I think the bacon and cheese helps it quite a bit. I'm not really noticing the beet flavor. It's not very strong. The potato peels are a little crispy. That's kind of fun. It does have that historical feeling to it. So I think I'm gonna give it a 6.2 out of 10. So this is a great dish to enjoy during hard times. What's a lawyer's favorite drink? A sub pina colada.